Welcome to CLT Farm. I would like to continue promoting goat and sheep farming. Today, our small video is on sheep. Let's just hear what those experts in sheep are saying. I want you to just follow, like, share this video. Let's keep promoting goat and sheep farming. It is important that we promote our products. I hope that this will be an inspiration to you so that you can go into goat and sheep farming. Let's learn from those that are doing. Maybe we can get one or two things and we can join the bandwagon. So just listen to what somebody has to say.
This is the ram, this is a stud ram, and this is a commercial ram. The females there are also stud quality. They're doing 80 kilos. This guy is just above 100, he's doing 150 kilos. The females are pregnant and selling for 10,000 kwacha. He's been sold for 15. He's selling for 7 as he's commercial. Commercial is ideal for the farmers in the meat market. The stud quality is breeders that seek to improve, and it's a process of constant improvement according to breed standards of the local breed. So these guys here are for stud breeders, and these are for the commercial market.
And what are you feeding them on?
These are natural grazers. These are 100% natural grazers. They're not selective, and they do well. They perform very well on the Zambian veldt. And as times are getting tougher, it's good to have pigs that are able to achieve such weights and body scores. Yeah, weights of 80 kgs, 110 kgs for the rams. The females do 75 kgs on average. When we do twins here, when we do flash breeding, we're able to achieve majority of them having twins. Yeah, so we make sure they're always in good condition like this, and we're good.
Tamuhindi nywele. Ombelele ino mu kitabu